Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. It comes to us like I don't like whatever the customer complaining. It was something about brewing and about pressure. But when I test the machine, I found it like it trips the breaker. Whatever I plug it in, it trips the breaker without even touch the power bottom here. So I opened the machine and I start like uh, testing, tracking the electronics and testing all the components. Then I find out this solenoid valve, this coil was burnt and causing short. So when I took it off, it's like the machine start not tripping the breaker anymore. But it was like also not hard, but it's a tricky to find this solenoid valve. But likely I just like found it. I was lucky I found one really quick because Breville didn't sell these anymore. And after I make it running and working, it's like the machine start leaking from everywhere, especially the steam boiler. So I replaced these O-rings. It's look like that on a steam boiler. There's many of them. Then after that, I noticed these water level probes. It was like broken and it leaks from the top here, not only from where the o-ring here, so it's in the top here also. I found it leaking, so these are broken and has also gaskets inside behind this, and these are broken too. So the only solution for these to replace it, and you can see here how much scale in the machine, while like when you notice how much scale stuck on these probes, so it can give you indication how the boiler from inside. So the machine also like was needs a tune up, so I did a tune up and I descaled these boilers twice and I flush it. Then I replaced this, the group head gasket, this one, after I deep clean it and deep clean the steam one. So let's go ahead and test it. And actually, there is like a lot of stuff. Uh, this hose was stuck. This goes in the middle of the steam boiler in a tiny area. It's not easy to reach it, but it was like also stuck from here with the scale. So I was kept putting stuff on it to release it, but didn't work. And while I'm pulling it, it gets squeezed and broken from here. You can see how it's broken. And even from here, I need to take it off in order to replace this o-ring because it was leaking, and around it here from outside the boiler was like a bunch of scale coming out. And this comes in the top of one of the thermostats, so it causes, oh look, even here, like this way. It was any drop of water on that thermostat can cause like tripping the breaker or burn the machine. So that was like necessary to replace. And I have another one, so I just like put it in here. I'm not gonna charge the customer for this, but the water level probes I have to add it to the receipt. Let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on it. Double. And also the grinder get like deep cleaning. It's harder a little bit with this new gasket. Doing prefusion first. needs a little bit calibration, needs to make it more. I think it's finer than it's supposed to be, so that's why it's not giving. Put it on 20 or 22. So this is not, this is super fine. Let me do another one. 25, okay. I feel it's like finer than, but it's better. You see? Like it was super fine. Yeah, now it's okay. But yeah, if you look at the dosage, that's still like less than what it's supposed to. So I recommend like 28, 29. But still, this is perfect. Great shot. Look, with thick crema. And it is tasty too. So let's taste the hot water. This is perfect. And a steamer. This is great and clean itself. So the machine works perfect. Thank you for watching.